everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be straightening my hair for the first time in like a year. If you don't know much about me, I used to straighten my hair for like most of my life. For 10 years straight I was straightening my hair every week, and only last year in 2019 I went curly, and I went through the whole curly transitioning phase. It's been nearly a year of just being curly and not applying any heat to my hair, and my hair is like at its optimal health now. So why am I about to kill it with a straightener? I don't know. I'm curious to see what it looks like straight. I haven't done it in so long, and it was such a big part of my life. And now I just want to straighten it just for one day this year. Hopefully it doesn't do too much damage to my curls. But yeah, we're gonna see what it looks like straight. I cut a fringe the other day, so I reckon it's gonna be so wonky if we straighten it. This is Fiona, she's here for moral support. So I don't know, my hair might be a bit greasy, but this is what it's at the moment. If you watched my last vlog, you know that I am sick, so I just wanted to be chill, just sit on my bed, straighten my hair, take it easy, because, you know, I'm not actually supposed to be doing any work. I'm supposed to just be relaxing, but I'm sick of just sitting around doing nothing. So I thought I would do this because it doesn't require that much energy. But yeah, I really have no idea what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna look like a different person. So when I used to straighten my hair, I would do it half-half. So I'd do like the left side first and then the right side. Just because my hair is so thick, there's so much to get through. I did spray a bit of heat protectant before, but I didn't really have much. I had like this really old bottle, and it had this much left, so I just like sprayed the rest of it. Sorry curls, I'm sorry I'm burning you, but we're doing it because I'm curious, and we're doing it for YouTube and the gram. I'm putting on gloves so I don't burn myself. Okay, I guess we're just gonna get into it. I'll just zoom in a bit. This is gonna give me PTSD and remind me of my old self. I'm just definitely a new person after going curly, you don't understand. I never brush my curls dry either, so this feels weird. This feels so weird. Flashbacks of my old life, where I didn't love myself as much. My hair's like, no, what are you doing? Probably don't have the right products in to have the best straight hair. And it's also raining. It's been raining the past week, and even though I haven't been outside, my hair can feel when it's raining and it gets frizzy. I have a lot of layers in my hair because I want my curls to have, you know, shape and volume, so I don't know what it's gonna look like straight with all these short layers. It doesn't feel like silky smooth, the ends are like feel frizzy and dry. I don't know, that's probably because of the weather too, but my hair's never been like a silky straight, even when I've straightened it in the past. It's always been a bit stiff, you know? Oh my god, this is so weird. It doesn't feel soft. I don't know, my hair never felt like silky smooth because obviously it's so curly, and then straightening it just makes it really dry for me. How weird, it looks long. Ah! Now for the other side. So as I said, I cut a fringe when my hair was curly, like I just did a dry cut, and everyone was freaking out about it on Instagram because I did it on my story. I was just like cutting away. This is what it looks like straight. I mean, it's not that bad, it could be worse, but yeah, it's pretty wonky. I'm just gonna try to cut it a bit on this side because it's a bit dry on the ends. Anyway, it's too long when it's straight. Gotta move it to the side. Definitely feels and looks way more healthier when it's curly. When I feel it now, it just feels super dry and frizzy. Oh my god, it feels so weird. Yeah, the ends are just weird, like, I don't know, they just feel really dry and frizzy. But this is what my hair looks like straight. This is just the old Olivia, the insecure Olivia. It's just not me anymore. I need my curls. And don't take this video as I'm sick of my curls or anything. I just wanted to do it because I was curious and I thought it'd be a good video idea. I'm definitely all about embracing your natural hair and your natural beauty because it's really empowering, especially with me. The past year has been like the best year of my life, and going curly is just like one of those things that helped me improve my confidence in everyday life. Also, straightening my hair is so much more effort than keeping it curly. I think straightening it took like 25 minutes and it's just such a boring, like slow process, and you're just like killing your hair and you can smell the burnt hair. Whereas with curly hair, it takes like 10 minutes after the shower to just apply some products and then you just let it dry. And it's obviously not as damaging to your hair. So I'm still a curly girl, still love my curls the best. Just did this for fun. And yeah, my hair just, it doesn't look as good when it's straightened. Anyway, that's the end. I'm gonna sneeze. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Please let me know what videos you want to see next. I'm still sick and recovering from the severe infection that I had. You can watch my latest vlog and I go through all that. So I'm just going to be resting up and just doing chill videos like this. Let me know what you think of my straight hair and let me know what stage of transition you're going through if you're a curly girl. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!